Hello, it's Danny Watkins again with American Eagle Harley-Davidson up here in Corinth. This week, I got the new bike of the week. So folks, this week we got a 2023 Street Glide Special from our custom paint shop in the back, the Gunship Gray and Black with a red pinstripe. This one here is equipped with the factory 47 12-inch bars. It's also got the 131 Stage 4 engine we installed on this one with the Reinhardt exhaust. It's got the 131 heads and all that. It says 131. It's got the streamlined grips that match the footboards and the brake pedal. This thing's also got the LED lights, stretched saddlebags with the One-Touch. The way we got Harley-Davidson on the saddlebags, and there's a clean gas tank, again, from our paint shop. Folks, come down here and take a look at this thing. We make it easy to buy Harleys, and we do test drives. Come see Danny and let me show you how easy it is. Thank you.